Hi, you guys. My name is Shantae Holiday, and today we are going over what comes inside of the business marketing course. I'm going to share my screen for you. We're going to go module by module and kind of read what comes inside the lessons. My courses are text lessons. That means there are words at the bottom, picture at the top. There's no audio or videos. That way, if you decide to add this particular one to your company, you already know that you won't have to worry about my face, my voice, interrupting your branding. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here so you can see everything I see. All right, so we got the course curriculum first. That goes over the course overview so that your students have a firm understanding of what to expect. Alrighty, and the course objectives as well. Next, module 3, you're going to have the 5 P's of marketing, your module overview as well. So module 1, product. Module 1, part 2 is the price. Part 3, promotion, place, people, and then your students' first assignment to make sure that they are retaining all of the great information that you are providing. Next, we're going to have the following module, right? It's going to have a module overview first. Next is the module objectives. Then you'll have module 2, part 1. What are your customers like? Then you'll have going into the categories of different types of customers and how to assist them. And then assignment. Next is determining what makes your business special, okay? So this has a module overview. Then it goes over the objectives. It covers what is your USP. Next, it covers what does your USP mean, and finally, your module assignment for your students. Next is develop your brand. So module overview, module objectives, module 4 covers part 1, what is your brand? Next is building your brand, and then the assignments. Next is find your community. So it has module overview, module objectives, what is your community, finding your community, and then getting in front of customers as part of your community. And last, the module assignment. Next covers choose the right channels, okay? So your module overview and your objectives. Next, you have marketing channels. Next is going to be selecting the right marketing channels for your business. And finally, the assignment. Right, so next has set goals and a budget. So module 9 covers your overview and objectives first, of course. Next, you're going to have part 1, your SMART goals. Part 2, meeting your goals. Part 3, budgeting. And last is your assignment. Module 10, this is one of my longer courses. Module 10 covers getting noticed. So of course it starts off with the overview objectives. Next, common ways to create buzz. After that, strategies for discovering ways to generate word of mouth. And finally, your student's assignment for that model. Next, we have the 11th module, covers overview and objectives. Next, the customer experience. And finally, customer service and your student's assignments. Next is be creative. You have your overview and objectives. You have the creative process, and then you have creative marketing, okay, in your assignment. And last is putting it all together, build your marketing plan. And so that basically just lets them know, hey, you made it to the end, congratulations. Let's put everything you learned together and actually implement and execute, right? You can learn all the things in the world, but it doesn't matter if you don't take the step, if you don't take a risk and actually start putting forth the action that you've learned. So yeah, I hope you guys really like this course there. I look forward to you adding it to your university and stuff, whether as a new course or your first one, but I hope that you have an amazing day. My name is Shantae Holiday. We just went over what comes inside of the business marketing course, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye, you guys, and see you on the next video.